Hi, it's Tasha with WTA.
I'm really having fun with this calendar this year. It's so beautiful, the coloring, the watercolors. I think the graphics on it, they really nailed it. I also really appreciate the message, something positive when I'm looking at my calendar and I know I have things to do. I want something that's bright and cheery. And I love the quality. The paper is really nice and soft. It's easy to write on. The binding is sturdy. This is actually the second year I've bought this calendar from this company because I was so pleased with it last year. I don't like ring binders, and I love that this has a sewn binder. It's easy and lightweight to flip through the pages, and it's something that I'll definitely purchase again next year.
And that's my point of view.